Alright, so went to go prime the fuel bowl, check the accelerator pumps, everything on the carb. And that's not liquid, boys and girls. That is ethanol goop from sitting. This accelerator pump diaphragm is stuck. So we've got a new one here. So we stock them. Of course we do. But just extra stuff, extra time spent, extra time wasted. And here we are. All right, everything is ready. We are now getting ready to fire the car back up. I'm gonna pull the coil wire off. I'm gonna have Xander crank the engine 15-20 seconds to make sure we get oil pressure, make sure we get fuel into the carb, and then we're gonna light it. Remember, this engine was broken on the dyno at Brian's. Ready? When I tell him to hit it, my man. Go ahead. Burning some stuff off, getting a little air out of the power steering. Of course, typical noisy smog pump. Xander's working the wheel. Get the air out of the